Today, I'm going to show you how to make these stunning African paper bead bracelets. And guess what? It all started with a popcorn bag from the movies. After enjoying some popcorn, I just couldn't toss the bag. The African-inspired design on the side caught my eye, and I knew it had to be turned into something beautiful. For this project, I used 2 strips of paper. The first one is from the pattern side of the popcorn bag. I cut it into long strips 1 cm wide at the base, tapering to 0.5 cm at the tip, and 18 cm in length. Now, keep in mind, this popcorn paper bag is pretty thick, so it took a few tries to figure out the right size for a perfectly round bead. If you're working with a different kind of paper or cardboard, try lengths between 16 and 20 cm to find what works best for you. For the second strip, I used a thin triangle measuring 0.5 cm at the base and 8 cm long. I cut this off camera. Both strips should align nicely. I applied a generous amount of glue to the first strip and rolled it up using a paper bead roller. Then I added a dab of glue to the second strip, pressed it down into the first and rolled away. If you're wondering where to get a paper bead roller, or you want to make your own, check the description box below for all the details. Just look at these beads. Aren't they gorgeous? The African print gives them such a vibrant, unique look. Once the beads are rolled, I thread them onto a nylon string. But we're not done yet. Time to make them durable. I dip the beads into wood hardener. Now, let the excess drip off and place them on my DIY drying rack. I let them dry for 20 minutes before dipping them second time. After the second coat, I leave them to dry fully for about 2 hours. Want that glossy finish? A coat of varnish will do the trick. I used a water-based varnish for this project. Here's a fun trick I picked up from a Facebook group. Using a salad spinner. Spinning the beads helps keep the holes from clogging and avoids any messy varnish drips. It's a total game changer. I dip and dry the beads 3 times to get that perfect shine. Sometimes I prefer brushing on 3 coats instead. It's tidier and saves varnish, but takes a little more time. As you can see, I also made a few black paper beads for some contrast. To make the bracelet, I strung 20 beads onto a stretchy cord. Perfect for a wrist size of about 17 to 17.5 inches. One last tip. Always hide your knot by tucking it into the hole of a bead. You can secure it with a dab of glue if you like, though I didn't for this one. Let me know in the comments if you'd try making these paper beads yourself. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Your support truly means the world to us. And remember to tap the bell icon. That way, you'll be the first to know when a new video goes up.